Welcome to Cityview, elevated living just one block from the Ithaca Commons. Today we're going to see apartment 3Y, a studio on the third floor of the building. Let's head on in. As you enter, you'll see your galley-style kitchen on the right with a microwave, a dishwasher, an electric oven and stove, and a refrigerator. Heading on into the living area, you'll see 5 pieces of furniture: a dresser, a full-size bed, a desk chair, and a bookcase. All rooms in Cityview have high ceilings and large windows that let lots of natural light into this south-facing apartment, even on a cloudy day. Every apartment has an air conditioner and a heating vent. Another unique feature of our buildings is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. Y-style apartments have a deep closet by the front door. And we'll finish with the bathroom. A large bathroom with a full vanity and medicine cabinet, a shower tub combo, and an additional corner nook for extra storage space. Rent for Cityview apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming to Cityview 3Y. Call us today for availability.